More than 40,000 babies are born each year with congenital heart defects, which are the most common of birth defects. With us to discuss this serious problem are some special guests who are working with an organization called Mended Little Hearts, leading the fight to help families struggling with congenital heart defects. Is Jennifer Page. She is the mother of young actor Max Page, who is best known as Little Darth Vader from the Super Bowl ads, and she is joined by Dr. David Ferry, a leading cardiologist from Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, where Max was treated. Thank you both for joining us. Great to see you this morning.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Good morning to you.
Jennifer, we loved watching Max as Little Darth Vader in those commercials. How did you, though, first find out Max had a heart problem?
Just right at the end of my pregnancy, they weren't getting a good heartbeat on him when I went in for a routine test, and so they took him emergency C-section, and over the course of the next couple days they were able to diagnose him with a severe heart defect called tetralogy of Fallot and give us a game plan, which for Max required surgery.
Unbelievable. And then, Dr. Ferry, you work at the hospital where Max actually had a pacemaker that saved his life. How common is this problem?
Well, as you mentioned, 40,000 babies a year in the United States are delivered with heart problems. About half of those require surgery or intervention. So this, in terms of a big referral center, Max's problems are very common that we deal with every day at Children's Hospital.
Certainly not something a parent, I would say, wants to deal with when it comes to their kid. But is there a little relief knowing that this is a common problem and there are ways to treat it, Jennifer?
You know, it doesn't feel common when you're the one in it and you feel very isolated and alone. And that's why we're super excited about this partnership with Mended Little Hearts and St. Jude Medical, putting together an online resource guide so parents can go there, get questions answered, know what questions to even ask, and just try and understand what journey we've now embarked on. And then it will also help them plug into a community of local supporters in their areas, so then all of a sudden you can be surrounded by some other people on the path, because honestly, when this first happens to you, you feel like you're the only one in the world, and you don't know where to turn, and you're immediately trusting people that where they've sent you is the right place. And so it's not till you come up for air a few months down the road that you start even looking around to ask. So this will be a great resource for parents moving forward.
What do you, as a parent, what do you want other parents to know about this heart problem and their kids?
My biggest message is there's tons of hope. There's just tons of hope. I mean, Max has had 9 surgeries, so to think that you could go through that and still live such a big, robust, full life doesn't seem possible, and yet it is. And so just to hang on and just to get through it day by day, but it will get better, and the quicker you can plug in and have some people in your community with you, the better you'll be.
Dr. Ferry, as we close here, what are some warning signs that parents should be on the lookout for?
Rapid breathing, poor feeding, poor weight gain. Anything that, doesn't look right, talk to the doctor, talk to the pediatrician, and get referred promptly.
What is the common age that children are usually diagnosed? Is this in Jennifer's case, where she found out at the end of her pregnancy, or early in a child's life?
Well, most commonly, I would say it's during early infancy, if not a newborn. Usually by the first 3 months, we know something like this is wrong with the baby's heart. And then we can make a plan thereafter to intervene when necessary.
Jennifer, a website, maybe we can go online to find out more information about your story and how to help others and everything you talked about today.
Yeah, St. Jude Medical has a great link for us. It's at sjm.com/weheartkids, and that will get you all the information you need.
Thank you both so much. We wish Max the best, and we're going to have more on this segment posted to our website. Thanks. You can go online to fox4morningblend.com.
And we will have one last look at your Fox forecast and then be right back.